All right, let's get into it. Today, I'm sharing my journey from making zero to earning my first $1,000 online without putting in a massive investment. Spoiler, there's no get-rich-quick magic here, just tried and true methods that worked for me. But don't worry, I'll keep it real and entertaining as I take you through the steps. So, like a lot of you, I started with, well, basically nothing. I had no big budget to throw around, no pricey software, and definitely no private jet. But what I did have was a laptop, an internet connection, and a little spare time. And honestly, that's all you need to start building a stream of income online. First off, I took a look at some online marketplaces where you can sell your skills. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, but I don't have any skills, stick with me here. We all have some skills, and I'm not just talking about watching an entire season of Netflix in one sitting. The first step for me was listing things I could offer, no matter how basic they seemed. Writing, graphic design, basic social media management. I even considered proofreading. You name it, I was ready to give it a shot. I started on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and here's a tip for beginners. Create a killer profile. I spent time filling out every single detail and making sure my profile was appealing. And yes, that meant putting a halfway decent photo on there, which, let's be real, took about 30 tries. People like to see a real face, so make sure you're looking professional yet approachable. Once my profile was up, I realized that standing out was the tricky part. And here's where the magic comes in. Pick a niche. If you try to do everything for everyone, you're going to get nowhere. I started by offering basic copywriting for small business websites, just writing those simple About Us and Services sections. It sounds basic, but trust me, there's always demand for clear, well-written web copy. Now here's a funny story. My first gig was proofreading a 20-page user manual for a blender. And let me tell you, I became an expert on that blender. I could practically assemble it in my sleep. But guess what? That one gig brought in my first $25. And even though it wasn't much, the next game changer for me was affiliate marketing. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, here we go, another pitch for affiliate marketing, hear me out. I wasn't dropping affiliate links left and right. Instead, I looked at products I already used and genuinely liked. For example, there was this particular software I'd been using to edit photos on my phone, so I reached out to see if they had an affiliate program. Turns out they did. I got a unique link, and whenever someone used it to download the app, I'd get a small commission. Here's a quick tip on affiliate marketing without feeling spammy. If you're in any online groups or forums that allow affiliate links, only share products or services you're genuinely passionate about. People can tell when you're being authentic, and they're more likely to click on your links. By now, I'd made a few $100s, and my confidence was growing. But I wanted to diversify a little more, so I decided to try my hand at selling digital products. Now don't worry, I wasn't creating a 300-page ebook on how to live your best life. I started small, like really small. My first digital product was a collection of motivational phone wallpapers. I created them on Canva, which is free, and I listed them on Etsy for a few dollars each. Believe it or not, people bought them. One unexpected side hustle was actually flipping thrift items. Now, before you picture me in a garage filled with dusty antiques, let me clarify. I picked up a few items from local thrift stores, cleaned them up, and resold them on eBay. My first item was a vintage mug I bought for $1 and sold for $20. That might sound like small potatoes, but hey, that's a 2,000% profit. There's a thrill in seeing something old turn into cash, and it's a fun side gig if you don't mind a little hunting around. After about 3 months, I looked at my earnings and realized I'd hit the $1,000 mark. No fancy tools, no massive investment, just some time, effort, and a bit of creativity. Thanks for sticking around. If you're inspired to start your own journey to $1,000 or have questions about any of the methods I used, drop a comment below. And hey, Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money without breaking the bank. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and that somewhere can be your ticket to financial freedom. Happy hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video.